I was in Bungoma, and the voters there are saying, there are two people vying, Didmas and Tim Wanyonyi.
Tim.
And people love Didmas because he donates more on funerals. This Didmas is a person who had a killing scandal. Ya kuua. Sasa huyu niendo ako hapo, matanga yote ati hakuna matanga nakosa Bungoma, hiyo ndo maana watampea kura. Like, is this how we measure leadership skills seriously? Another thing, you find out that these people have already known that voters are vulnerable, so they are beggars. So come to a rally, we give you 1,000. Come to a rally, we dress you. To our parents, we appreciate that you are searching for us, tukule, tuvae, tusome. Lakini sahi watoto wamesoma, wanataka kazi. Tutafute tu kiongozi mwenye ako na nafasi za ajira.